An inactive subscriber may be a subscriber on your list that isn't opening your emails or isn't clicking your links. One way to check for inactive subscribers is to see if anybody's opened your emails recently. On the subscribers page, you can do this from the drop-down menu by selecting No Opens, or check out the pre-created filters on the left, Dormant Subscribers. This will give you a segment of your list that hasn't opened an email in the last 90 days, have been added within the last 90 days, and they're not unsubscribed, which means they're still on your list, they're just not doing anything with it. From here, we can create a segment, Inactive Subscribers, and then from a broadcast, send just to that particular segment. If nobody opens this email, we just take them off of our list. Another way we could do it is take that same segment of subscribers and then using the bulk tag tool, add a tag. In this case, inactive subscribers. And then trigger a new re-engagement campaign based on that tag. Again, any subscriber that doesn't open any emails in this campaign can be removed. So go ahead, try this in your account today. If you don't have an Aweber account yet, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.